I smooth it like a prayer on my thigh. Holy, holy vending machine, take my last 2.17, turn it into something sweet, something small that feels like peace. Holy, holy silver and steel, preaching, pick one, spin the wheel. Guess I'm tithing to caffeine. Midnight vending machine. Oh, old chips, off-brand soda, mystery flavor, neon green. I hit the wrong number, watch it spiral, not my dream. Story of my life, I mumble as a stale honey bun drops clean. Who stalked you up? Did they hum some tune? Did they hate this job or think of the lonely ones at noon? I press my head to the cool, clear window, let it hold me for a second. Then I choose